Greetings, my majesty.
I want to kill all the agent people here.
Sir, yes, sir.
Don't tell them I love your son.
People of Shinano, our governor has sent an order to kill all the aged people. What? But I don't want to lose my father. He's the only one I have. Please don't. Have mercy. Mother is at home. I need to get her. Mother,
You look so nervous, my son. Is there something wrong?
the governor sent an order to kill all aged people. I need you in my life, Mother.
I also feel the same way, my son. But I'm afraid we can do anything about it.
I'll be going now, Mother. I'll surely miss you.
Me too, my son. Goodbye. Oh, wait, my son. I need to tell you something. Follow the twigs I left on the ground. The path will lead you home safely.
I am truly moved on what you did, Mother. Because of that, I will not leave you here. Together we will face the governor's wrath, and together we will die. Stay here, Mother. Make sure that the other people won't see you.
Tell the people of Shinano to make a lot of ashes.
Sir, yes, sir. I will tell them right away. Mother, the governor sent another proclamation to present him a rope of ashes.
Wait, I will think. Make crow, distance crow. Then stretch it upon the stones and burn it. There, on the windless night.
I agree to that. For Shinano also needs to the wedge of the old and the strength of the youth.